Good evening and welcome back. Welcome back with the extra puzzles. The extra puzzles, not in today's newspaper on Monday, February the 19th, 2024. Told you earlier in today's newspaper there are no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition. The weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, February the 17th, 18th. 2024, we have three puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the two stars Sudoku, and the jigsaw Sudoku. And the first one I will solve is this one, the letter Sudoku. And this will be number 8035. Okay, 8035. 8035. And before I start, I always count the printed, in this case, letters. 27 printed letters. Usually for the letter Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Well, maybe 22, 23 minutes I need. Lately, I need more time to solve a letter Sudoku. It's totally different than with digits. With digits, I know I can do a double check. With letters it will be difficult with a double check because those letters are every time different, and those letters that I can use are the M, the K, the D, the S, the I, the T, the R, the U, and the C. And the goal is to solve this word in the second column. It's yeah. All right. So let's get started. Let me see which letter can I use. Well, in this row, we need an M. We have four missing letters in this row. This box can be an M. We have M in this big square, so no M there. Here can be an M. We have M in this column, no M there. Here can be an M. We have M in the middle column, no M there. So the only place left the M in this row should be there. All right. Need a R. Need a R here. Need a T. Need a C here. Okay. M. How about the letter M in this row, M in the middle row, so the row above, the only two places left for the M should be here. Or there we have M in this column, no M there, M should be there. I in this column, I in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the I should be here. So two missing letters in this column for letters. S is missing and a T is missing, S and a T. Well, I know the word. It's a drumstick. But let me continue. Well, 3 minutes. Right. The U. Need a U here. Need a D here. Need a D there. T here. R and M. Need a D here. A U in this row, U in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only two places left for the U should be here or there. We have a U in the last column, no U there. U should be there. Need a U here. Need a T. T should be here. Need an R here. R. And I need an M here. MT. So the C should be here. Let me see. D here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. The R here. Come on, come on, come on. D, D, D. K, M, K. Yeah. Well, yeah, here we have 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the K and the D. We have K and D in this middle column, so no K and D in these 2 boxes. We have a K and a D in the last row, so no K and D in this box. K and D goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. So we have 3 missing letters now. Need an R. We have an R in the last row, so no R there. So the R could be here, could be there. We need an I. We have an I in this row, no I there. So the I could be here, could be there. And we need a C. We have a C in this row, no C there. So the C could be here, could be there. All right. ICT. Need a T here. Yeah. Come on, come on. Well, 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters, the M. Here can mean M. We have M in this row, no M there. We have M in this column, no M there. So the M could be here, could be there. And we have I in this row, I in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left with I. Could be here, could be there. Here we have an I, and here we have an I. That means in this column we need an I in one of these 3 boxes. We have an I in this row, no I there. I could be here, could be there. We have 3 missing letters in this row. One of the missing letters, the R. We have R. Well, in this big square, so no R there. So the R could be here or there. Well, we have an R in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can be R anymore. That box should be an R. So we have an R in this row, R in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left with the R should be here, here, or there. We have an R in this column, no R there. So the R could be here, could be there. 2 missing letters now. The T is missing. And the C is missing. T and a C. We have a T in this column, so no T in these 2 boxes. So the T could be here, could be there. So the M, the T, and the R are in one of these 3 boxes. So one letter is missing in this big square for letter C. All right. I here. Need a D here. D in this row, D in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 3 places left for the D should be here or there. We have a D in this column, middle column, so no D there. D could be here, could be there. Alright. Okay. Ah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters, the I. We have I in this row, no I in these 3 boxes here, and I in this column, no I in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the I in this big square. Should be there. I in this row, I in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the I should be here. And we have the C and the R left. This box should be a R, and that box should be a C. So we have a C in this row, C in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the C should be there. C, 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 okay, 2 missing letters in the last row for letters. T is missing, and the S is missing. T and S, T and S, let me mark those. S, and here, D, I, M. We need an M in this big square. We have M in this column, no M in these 2 boxes. The M could be here, could be there. M in one of those 2 boxes in this row, M in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the M should be here or there. We have M in this column, no M there. M should be there. Need a D, need a R, and need a U. We have a R in this column, so no R there. We have a R in this row, no R there. So the only place left for the R should be here. So the D and the U are missing. D, U, and the D and the U. K and the D. C, need a U. U in this column, U in the last column, so the column between the only 2 places left for the U. Could be here, could be there. Need a S here. And I need a K. Well, we need a C in this big square. We have a C. 4 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those missing letters are the D and the C. We have a D and a C in this row. No D and a C in these 2 boxes. D and the C goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the letters. U is missing. And the M is missing. U, no, we have an M. K is missing. U and the K. U and the K. Cannot fill this yet. UK. Well, we have a D in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so this box can be a D. This box should be U, and that box should be a D. UK, we have a U now in this column, no U there. U should be here, and a K goes there. KK, need a K there. We have a K in the third row. K should be there. M. Need the S and the T. S and the T are missing here. We have a T in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no T there. T should be here, and the S goes there. So S, there should be the S. Need a T here. Okay. Mark those 2 boxes early with I. We have I in this column, so no I there. I should be there. So 2 missing letters in the middle column for letters. S is missing, and the T is missing. S and a T. We have a S in this row, no S there. S should be here, and a T goes in there. T in one of those two boxes in this row, T in the third row. So the row between the only place left of the T should be there, and I've eliminated the K, so the K goes here. So one letter is missing in this big square for letter C. C in the third row, C in the second row, so the first row, the only place left of the C should be there. So two missing letters in this big square for letters. D is missing, and K is missing. D and a K. Need to wait. K and a D. K and a D. Alright. K and the D are missing. We have a U here, so this box can't be U anymore. That box should be U. K and the D. We have a D in this column. No D there. D should be there. K should be here. One box left in this big square for letter K. K and a D. We have a K in this column. No K there. K should be there. D goes there. M is missing, and the S is missing here. S, S, S. We have an S in this column. No S there. S should be here. M goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with M. This cannot be M anymore. That box will be an M. And I've eliminated the R, so the R goes there. And I've eliminated the T, so the T goes there. Alright. So we have R in this column, R in the column next. So last column, the only two places left for the R goes together with the letter I is missing here. Yeah, I in this column, I in the column next. So the last column, only two places left for the I. Could be here, could be there. Two missing letters in this column for letters. S is missing, and the T is missing. S and the T. Yeah, two missing letters in this big square for letters. K is missing. Well, we have a K in this row. No K there. K should be there. And one letter is missing there. Letter D. D. Yeah. D and a C. We have a D now in this row. No D there. D should be here. And the C goes there. C in this row, C in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places left for the C should be here or there. We have a C in this column, no C there. C should be there. And if eliminated I goes there. R and the I, we have an I in this row, no I there. I should be here, and the R goes there. So we have an R in this row, R in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places left for the R should be here or there. We have an R in this column, no R there. R should be there. One letter is missing in this column for letter. I believe the T is missing. S and the T, we have a T in this row. No T there. T should be here. And the S goes there. S and the T, we have a T now in this row. No T there. T should be here. And the S goes there. Well, drumstick. We solved it in 18 minutes. Well, told you. Need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. So the last two letters in this big square are the letters S is missing and the U is missing. S and the U, we have an S in the middle row, no S there. S should be here, and the U goes there. Yes, 18 minutes. We solved this. So well pleased with time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other two puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.